Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be opening this Quickball from Walmart. All right, got it. There we go. Oh my lord. Got a nice little coin. Inside we've got Evolving Skies, a Chilling Rain Burr, and a Fusion Strike. Let's see. Let's do the Chilling Rain first. Energy, get out of here. All right. Nothing too great in that one, but not bad. Let's do Evolving Skies next. All right. Good one to end on for this pack. And let's go for our final pack in Evolving Skies. Oh, I'm sorry, Fusion Strike. All right. Thanks guys for tuning in. Be sure to rate, review, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.